Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making this trending backless top. So this is a free one size fit all dress. So I'm just going to fold it 35 inch by 40 inch. The 35 inch is the length, the width is 40 inch, and then I'm going to take 10 inch from the middle to cut out the armhole, and then I'm going to fold this part in before I cut the back part. This for the back part. So now I'm just going to use the front part to cut the length of the back part. So this will give you accurate length for the back because the armhole flows to the back. That's what I'm doing here. Now that that's done, next step is to hem all the raw edges, the armhole, to hem it, and then create a channel at this top. 1 inch is enough to create a channel. This is where we're going to put the outer neck strap, and then for the back part, the place I folded earlier is going to be the elastic band channel. So this is it after hemming, and then this is ready for the next step. So next is to put in the elastic band. The elastic band is 10 inches in length. So you can do yours the same. Everything I'm doing, you can do yours, and it will size you no matter your actual size. That's why it says one form fit all. So the next thing is to put in this strap, the outer neck. But before that, I'm just going to join the front and the back part together. So just to place it like this, and then move it as you sew from one side and then to the other side. So now that this is done, it's just to put in the strap and hem the down part, and the dress is ready. Like I said, it's a very simple dress that you can make for yourself for the coming summer, and it's very beginner friendly. Just follow every one of my steps and measurement, and then you are good to go. So guys, what do you think? Leave me a comment down below if it's something you're going to try, and then if you do try it, I would like to see you check my description for my social medias and then tag me. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before you leave. Thanks so much. See you on the next one. Bye for now.